Hi Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading for the month of March 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, Taurus, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Taurus, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for mid-March 2021. Let's see what we have here, Taurus. Also, Taurus, please know that this is a collective general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Taurus, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, please don't forget to hit the like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month, every month. Okay, so let's look at into your reading here, Taurus. On this side here is your energy, and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now, the sign that I'm getting for you here, Taurus, I'm getting a very strong fire energy, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. I'm also getting a very strong air energy coming up here as well, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini, as well as water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in that chart. Now, looking at your energy here, Taurus, I've got the Nine of Pentacles coming up here for you. And then I've also got the Moon energy coming up here as well, with the Death energy and the Rebirth energy coming up here. So I feel like the first thing that I'm getting coming up strongly for you here, Taurus, is that I do feel like you are at this point of time here already starting to accept that you are just like being single, and at least you're just like starting to accept that everything is going to take its time, everything is just like going to be flowing naturally, I would say here, Taurus, in a sense that I feel like you're starting to be accepting that this particular separation has to happen between both of you, because there are a lot of transformation, there are a lot of healing that needs to be done between both of you, I would say here, Taurus, especially with this Death energy and the Moon energy coming up here. So these two energy coming up here, I do feel like you have gone through a massive realization, like self-realization within yourself here, especially during the last full moon, and some of you here going to be in the upcoming new moon in mid-March 2021, I would say here, Taurus. Now, this particular self-realization is actually going to make you understand that, okay, this is it, that I have to go through this separation, both of us have to go through this separation, because there are still a lot of like transformation that needs to happen between both of you here. And one of the major transformation that needs to happen here, Taurus, I've got the Emperor energy coming up here. So I do feel like one of the main transformation, I would say here, that both you and your person have to go through here, is that the ego, that is what I'm getting here. Because with this Emperor energy, this is basically talking about that both of you here need to integrate to your divine masculine and divine feminine energy here. The gender does not matter, male or female energy, but this Emperor energy is someone is actually going to be like grounded and mature, and someone actually has that responsibility energy within themselves here. So this is what currently that I'm getting coming up very, very strongly in your energy, I would say here, Taurus. So what I'm getting for you here is that a major transformation, and you're finally like getting you're already being acceptance, like I'm getting like very strong acceptance energy and being okay with this separation. And you do understand that you have to be single, or at least at this point of time here, you have to work on yourself here to be integrating with your divine feminine or divine masculine energy coming up here. And then I've also got the Lovers energy coming up for you here, Taurus, with the Hierophant energy coming up here as well. So another thing that I'm getting for you here is that with this Hierophant energy, which is your energy coming up strongly here, Taurus, you are definitely at this point of time here is actually going through a major spiritual awakening, or like a major spiritual journey within yourself here. And this spiritual journey is not only going to make you realize about the true purpose of both of your connection, but also going to be going to make you realize about the true power and the true gift within yourself here, Taurus. Definitely a wonderful energy coming up for you. Now, looking at your person energy here, I've got the Nine of Pentacles coming up here. I've got the Five of Wands, and then I've got the Empress energy coming up here. So this is also quite interesting because I've got both the Emperor and the Empress energy coming up here, and then I've also got the Lovers energy coming up here as well. So for those of you here, Taurus, who have been still having the doubt, I would say here that whether this person is my true divine counterpart, is this like someone that I have to be with here, please do not doubt ever again, because with this two major energy that I'm getting for you here, this Lovers energy is actually already talking that your person is definitely your true divine counterpart. Your other half energy is what I'm going to say here. And then I've also got the Emperor and the Empress energy coming up here together. This is like a very, very strong power couple energy coming up for you here as well, Taurus. Also, it's quite interesting because from your energy, I've got the Emperor, and from your person energy, I've got the Empress. Again, the gender does not matter, but this is basically talking about balancing the masculine energy as well as balancing the feminine energy between both of your energy here, just like the yin and yang energy coming up here. So it's like both of you are like just like the yin and yang, and as well as like the missing puzzle pieces, I would say here, like both of you just like matching up towards each other. So for this union have to happen, for this union to happen here, Taurus, what both of you need to go through first here is that this particular balancing the feminine energy and the masculine energy between both of you here. And I've also got the Nine of Pentacles energy coming up from your person. So I feel like both of you at this point of time here are single, or at least both of you at this point of time here have made that particular decision that this is it, I'm going to focus on myself, I'm just going to like improving myself here, balancing both my feminine and my masculine energy is what I'm getting here. And then I've also got the Five of Wands energy coming up from your person with this Ace of Swords energy coming up here. For those of you who are currently in a no communication energy, expect some sort of like communication from them. With this Ace of Swords energy, this is also talking about the honesty and full of clarity energy coming up here. So this is basically like after all of this, like after all of this time, after this separation between both of you here, Taurus, with this Ace of Swords energy, this is finally like both of you can be open about yourself, be open about your emotions. So like that honesty, like open and honest communication is what I'm getting coming up here as well. Now with this Five of Wands energy and the victim mentality energy here, this is something that your person has been struggling a lot with, I would say here, Taurus, because I do feel like some of them here have this very strong conflicted energy coming up from them. And the reason why they're feeling this conflicted energy, because of their ego, because of this emotional pain and emotional trauma within themselves here, especially with this victim mentality energy. They have this tendency, or at least all they have known up until this particular point of time here, is that they do not deserve anything good, they do not deserve anything positive here. So this is something that has been rooted within themselves here. That is why they keep thinking that, okay, I'm just not good enough, I just don't deserve anything positive here. And that is why with this Nine of Pentacles energy coming up between both of you here, they have made this particular decision, or at least they are currently making this particular decision to balancing up both the feminine and the masculine energy within themselves here, Taurus. And what does that mean for your connection here is that the union energy coming up here. This is also what I've got the Ascended Masters coming up here. This is basically talking about the divine energy is also surrounding both of you here, Taurus. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this message resonates, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.